Are you sick of doom scrolling LinkedIn hoping that the perfect non-legal job will appear? I use a framework with all of my clients, creatively called the Former Lawyer Framework, to help them identify an alternative career that they actually like. If you want to know more about that framework, you can watch my free on-demand masterclass, The Simple 5-Step Framework to Identify an Alternative Career That You Actually Like, at formerlawyer.com/masterclass. But one of the most important things that I tell my clients is something that you need to know even before you start working through the framework. Today, we're going to talk about the biggest mistake that lawyers make when they want to identify an alternative career and how you can avoid it. For those of you who are new, I'm Sarah Cottrell. I practiced law for 10 years, and now I help unhappy lawyers ditch their soul-sucking jobs. When most lawyers want to find a non-legal job, they start scrolling job boards and updating their resume, looking for jobs that they can gear their resume towards. But if you want to make a successful career transition, and by successful, I just mean one that is satisfying and ultimately lands you in a career that is a right fit for you, that is literally one of the last things that you should be doing. In order to figure out the right fit for you, you need to invert the standard process that most lawyers gravitate towards. Why? Because if you follow the route that most lawyers are likely to take, you aren't looking for a job that's a good fit for you. You are looking for a job and then trying to fit yourself into it. In many ways, it's exactly what many of us did when we decided to become lawyers. We looked at our skills, we looked around, we thought, hey, being a lawyer seems to be a good match for the things that I'm good at, and off we went. But as I've said before, just because we have the skills for something doesn't mean it's a good fit for us. So back away from the job boards and the resume, and first focus on you. What do you want to do? What is your personality? What do you like and what do you dislike? What can you learn from your past work experiences and your current work experience about what kinds of jobs might be a good fit for you? Answering all of these questions and more is where you want to start when you're trying to identify a good alternative career for you. When you break it down, the process is actually quite simple, even though it's not easy. To learn more about this process, sign up to watch my masterclass, The Simple 5-Step Framework to Identify an Alternative Career That You Actually Like, at formerlawyer.com/masterclass.